Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best electric wall ovens you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best electric wall ovens on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which electric wall ovens are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Cosmo C51A single electric wall oven. I love my Cosmo C51A wall oven. This oven fits perfectly in the space, is thousands of dollars less and works perfectly. No issues so far. Very easy to set up, and once you read the manual to understand the symbols, it is very easy to use. It looks very sleek and modern, for a fraction of the cost. I would highly recommend it. A small kitchen can still have big style with the Cosmo 24 inches 8 function built-in single electric wall oven. The smaller dimensions fit any kitchen design, including remodels of older homes, and reduce energy consumption while still providing ample space to prepare meals with efficiency and ease. A spacious 2.5 cubic foot oven is powered by efficient turbo true European convection for fast and even heating that cooks your food to perfection in less time than other ovens. With its classic brushed stainless steel finish, interior enamel coating, and advanced features, this built-in single electric wall oven is designed to perform as well as it looks. 8 specialized oven functions include conventional cooking, convection with fan, small broiler, double grill with fan, bottom heater, defrost, and oven lamp. For details, let's watch more. Our second best electric wall ovens is ignited air fryer toaster oven. I bake a lot of cookies, cakes, pies, etc. In addition to baking, I have made toast, French fries, chicken, as well as steaks since my purchase. It's very easy to clean and use. I am absolutely in love with this product. Love the size. Easy to use and clean. This take less time to cook things. While this air fryer is larger than what I would like, it works great. Superpower 1800W with dual wave fans for both heating and cooling to integrate. Hot air technology in the oven structure, yet keeps good heat dissipation. Larger capacity than 10 liters, 12 liters, 17 liters, generously sized interior lets you cook multiple servings and different foods at the same time. Wide range of functions: bake, broil, pizza, roast, toast, steak, vegetable. Easy clean cavity, dishwasher safe pan and air fryer basket. Touchscreen design makes the operation more convenient and fast. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Gasland Chef S606 MSN wall oven. Love my oven. It was very easy to install and everything I have made in it has come out perfect, even the rotisserie chicken. This single wall oven is ETL certified for US and Canada use. The oven door is made of upgraded 3-layer black tempered glass that can effectively isolate high temperature steam to ensure safety. The handle is made of aluminum alloy and the door is removable for easily maintenance. This 24 inches electric single wall oven has a 5-layer shelf to place the grill grate and the baking tray. We prepared a baking tray, a grill grate and a glove in the package. This electric oven uses a 240 volt 60 Hz for power supply with a 2000 watts maximum output. It has 6 different working mode including grill, double grill, conventional, bottom heating, top heating, cooling down fan, oven light, temperature controller and timer. Easy to clean. Fourth recommendation in our side is Gasland S606MB electric wall oven. This oven climbs to temp slow but steady and holds a very constant temperature. This unit is small enough to accommodate the opening without cutting the steel cabinet. Straightforward and simple to install and use. Perfect for a small kitchen. Easy to install and use. I've baked and cooked dinner. This Gasland ES606MS 24 inches electric single wall oven is a built-in style 220 volts to 240 volts electric oven. It is bound to catch your eyes with its smooth black tempered glass to its robust edges. The Gasland Chef built-in electric oven comes with 6 cooking functions. The single wall oven can be easily cleaned after cooking. Gasland electric single wall oven adds an elegant, attractive addition to any kitchen. It is rustless and durable for long time usage. Last in our top 5 best electric wall ovens is Impava EMPV-30GR01 wall oven. Excellent product. That's the risk with any glass cooktop, but we really like the smooth and easy to clean surface. The styling perfectly matches the rest of our black and stainless steel appliances. Built-in digital display timer help you to cook perfectly and accurately. The oven will turn off automatically after your setting time is up. Rest and enjoy the rare leisure time. The powerful convection cooking system circulates heated air over, under and around, delivers the ideal temperature and airflow for fast preheating and uniform cooking, helps remove cold spots to ensure even baking. Because the entire oven, including the walls and racks, are heated to the correct temperature. The slide-in gas range come with large oven window and halogen oven lights allows you to see your food while cooking without opening the door. The ergonomic knobs and triple-layer tempered glass that add to the eye-catching aesthetic of the complete exterior design. Let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick list for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!